In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to Ticketmaster account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, or you can also open the Ticketmaster application if you want. If you have opened the browser, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in ticketmaster.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, wait for a while and you'll be led to the official website of Ticketmaster. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to log into your account, it is actually very simple. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in or register. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Ticketmaster. From here, you'll be able to log into your account. Over here, what you have to do is simply enter your email address. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address over here. After you enter the email address associated with your account, what you have to do is click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After you do that, if you do not have the account, you'll be prompted to create the account for yourself. But if you already have the account, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Simply enter your password. If you have set up the additional verification steps, you'll have to go through that verification step in order to continue. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log into Ticketmaster account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.